Hello guys, do you know you can make money from your comfort zone? Do you know you can actually earn money with just your smartphone? You can start earning when you tell people to subscribe to ExamKP. And for every successful referral, you earn 500 Naira commission. This is how it works. Once you refer people and they subscribe, your earnings start adding up. And when you want to withdraw your money, just go to examkp.com, log into your account, head to the referral section. You'll see your total balance from referrals. Then simply click withdraw. That's it. Now imagine this. You are a student preparing for your exams and still earning at the same time. Isn't that something you should grab? And even if you are not a student, you can still share ExamKP with others and earn from it. The good part is, so many students are preparing for exams right now. This is your opportunity to share and earn. Start now. Earn from anywhere. Visit examkp.com.